Here we have the Dustcontrol DC2900, made for the serious contractor who's looking to provide safe on-site control of dust from the source. Has everything you'd expect. Here we have the wand, cast aluminium sturdy floor head, rubber squeegees for the maximum suction, conveniently stored in the back there, powerful 1285 watt motor for consistent continuous suction. We have the long tube sack, which is a continuous bag, and you can collect approximately 20 to 25 bags of dust for convenient and safe method of disposal. The zip ties conveniently placed in the back of the machine there. All up, this DC2900 weighs no more than 20 kilograms, so very lightweight and portable. Excellent for attaching to angle grinders, crack chasers, and just general cleaning and removal of silica dust. We have a dual filter, including the HEPA H13 for maximum dust retention, and a very simple and effective cleaning method, which I'll go on to show you how that's done now. So we take the hose, push it onto that bung there, so that will effectively clean your filter by reversing the airflow backwards and pushing the dust off the filters. If you are stuck on site and want to know more, there's a QR code here which you can scan on your mobile phone for further information, or contact the team at All Preparation Equipment.